In this video, we will compare two powerful processors from AMD, the Ryzen 75700X and the Ryzen 9 7950X. The Ryzen 75700X features 8 cores and 16 threads, making it an excellent choice for gamers and general computing tasks. On the other hand, the Ryzen 9 7950X boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, designed for high-end workloads such as video editing and 3D rendering. Join us as we explore their specifications, performance, and value for money. The AMD Ryzen 75700X features 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock speed of 3.4 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.6 GHz. It has a cache of 36 MB and a thermal design power of 65 W. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X offers 16 cores and 32 threads, with a base clock speed of 4.2 GHz and a boost clock speed of 5.7 GHz. It boasts a massive cache of 80 MB and a TDP of 170 W. This significant difference in specifications highlights the Ryzen 9's capability for handling more demanding tasks. The Ryzen 75700X is known for its excellent gaming performance, providing a great price-to-performance ratio for gamers. It runs cool and is efficient for general computing tasks. On the other hand, the Ryzen 9 7950X excels in demanding applications like video editing and 3D rendering, making it the ideal choice for professionals who require high processing power. While the Ryzen 7 is more affordable, the Ryzen 9 justifies its higher price with superior performance in intensive workloads. When it comes to pricing, the Ryzen 75700X is priced at $319, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for solid performance. In contrast, the Ryzen 9 7950X comes at a premium price of $699, which may be justified for users who need the extra cores and threads for professional applications. Ultimately, the choice between these two processors will depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 75700X and the Ryzen 9 7950X have their strengths. The Ryzen 7 is perfect for gamers and general users, while the Ryzen 9 is tailored for professionals requiring maximum performance. Consider your workload and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.